How to change your username on Instagram from your desktop or PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your username in your Instagram from your laptop or PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your web browser and head over to instagram.com. After that, log in into your account if you haven't yet. After you've done that, you should be on your Instagram's page where you can simply look for the profile option that should be on the left side of your Instagram. So head over to the profile option and you should see your profile. After you're on your profile, here you should see an edit profile option as well, right besides your username. Now, after you find the edit profile option, tap on edit profile. And after you tap on edit profile, you should be taken into this page. Now, you can also do this from the app version, the web app version, which you can download and then use as well. So after you're here on the settings, here you'll find an option that says Meta Accounts Center. You can head over to Meta's Account Center, tap on this section, and after you do that, you should be on accountscenter.instagram.com, where you can simply go ahead and choose your profile first, and from here choose the username option. After you choose that, you can basically change your username to whatever you want. So after you've made the required edit, tap on done. And after that, your Instagram's username will get changed. And now you can head back to your profile and check if the problem's been fixed or your username's been changed. And it's that simple, and that's basically it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.